So I did file the other side. Kind of fell apart then after that, but so we got this one prayed open, and we got this one. So you do the same way as we did with the first one. Kind of go through the layer separated from this little seam, and then pray it a little bit like this, and then it comes off just like that, and then the other part comes off, and we're gonna see how the SSD is looking like inside. I'll be honest with you, there was another thing that I had to deal with. It was a little blob of glue over here that would not allow it to be taken out easily, so we had to take that glue off. Be kind of careful, get it off, and then it allows you to separate the SSD from the host PCB, and then you just unscrew this little screw here. This comes off, and then you get your SSD. Just pull it out. And this is what it is. It's a silicon motion chip. The memory I can't really see, but it looks like a micron. That's the other side. Basically, it's a 2-chip solution. I don't know if it's 512 gigs each or 1 terabyte each. Sometimes in the cheaper solutions they put extra 1 terabyte chip there as a spare sector chip, because it's just gonna die really quickly otherwise. So we will see what chip this one is. I'll make a good quality photographs and post them on website and Facebook and other sites that you can check out for your references. Now this is the host PCB. It's a standard USB-C to Nvme controller based on Realtek. Can't really read what it says on it, too small. It's a Realtek chip. There we go. So that's the PCB, guys. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Contact Qubits Data Recovery if you got any questions or if you need recovery and anything like that. There's still a lot of work with this thing to do because we just got it revealed, and we need to extract the data from that, and that will be a different story, different process, but this was a good experience. It's not often when we get such solidly done and encapsulated portable SSDs. I did see a flash drives like that before, but I haven't seen the SSDs yet like that. So this is the first one. Good experience. Take care. Cheers.